After learning about the divisibility rules, okay, divisibility rules of 2, 3, 6, 5, 9, and 10. Okay, we did some exercise problems also on this divisibility rules. Huh? Next. And what about the next topic is, first before we are talking about the topic, I need to ask you a small questions. Is 3 divisible by 2? Is 3 divisible by 2? Is 4 divisible by 2? How did you say that? 3 is divisible by 2, I am asking. Is 3 divisible by 2? Yes. Answer 2. The remainder is 1. Next, 4. Tuples of 4. There is no remainder. I am not using the divisibility rules, nothing. Just to show, I am trying to show which is divisible and which is not divisible. If a number is exactly divisible by a particular number, it won't leave any remainder. If the number leaves remainder, that is not exact divisor of the given number. Here, the given number is 3. It is divisible by 2. When we divide, it leaves 1 is a remainder. So is it divisible by 2 now? 3 is not divides. So why it leaves 1 as remainder? So when the number is divides a particular number, if it leaves remainder 1, it is not exact divisor. If it is divides, see the second example. 4 is a given number. We are dividing by 2. 2 2's 4. It is gives 0 remainder. It gives 0. That means here 4 is completely divides. Completely divided by 2. But 3 not completely divided by 2. So it is complete and it not complete. And 20 aware will. Here my main focus is on not complete and complete. So here 2 does not say it is divides the number. It does not divide. 2 is not divide 3 exactly. Exactly. Ante enti? If it is exact divides, it gives 0 remainder. What is exact divisor? What is exact divisor? 0. If it is exact divisor, it gives 0 remainder. If it is not exact divisor, it gives something is remainder. This is called exact we are talking about. If an exact divisor, that is called factor. What is a factor? Exact divisor. Exact. Is 2 is a factor of 3. Is 2 is a factor of 3. No, because it is not exact divisor of 3. It is not exact divisor. That means if it is divided by any number, it is divides to any number, it gives 0 remainder. For example, 2 is the exact divisor of 4, I said. Is it right? Why? Because it gives 0 as remainder. But 2 is not exact divisor of 3, I said. Yes, it gives 1 as a remainder. The rule, the proof also here in front of us. మనకు ప్రూఫ్ అనేది బోర్డు మీద కనబడతా ఉంది. ఎందుకు నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అంటున్నాము, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అంటున్నాము. It is not exact. 2 is not exact divisor of 3. 3 ని డివైడ్ చేయడంలో 2 అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డివైజర్ కాదు. ఎందుకు కాదు? Why not? it gives remainder 1. But when it is divides 4, it is exact divisor. It will leave 0 as a remainder. So here, the exact divisor is called factor. What is exact divisor? Today, that is our topic. Factor. What is a factor? Just now I told you, no? What is that? Exact divisor. Exact? That's it. Exact divisor, that's it. Exact divisor means? That is factor, I know. Exact divisor and enti? It gives remainder 0 if you divide any number by this number. Okay. Now, let us have just write the factors of some numbers. Then how to write factors? Sir, okay, good. We gave information is very good. The factor is exact divisor, you said. Yeah, which is exactly divides, that is exact divisor, which is not exactly, that is not exact divisor. That exact divisor is a factor, very good. But how to write factors? Simple. How to write factors? Okay, now I will give a small activity. Now I'm using some dots. You just arrange the dots in possible ways. So an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Please, anyone of you come forward and arrange this in any possibility way. I mean 12. I will arrange in one way. I will show you how to arrange them. Then the remaining will do it. Altogether, rows and columns have to be used while arrange these dots. There are 12 dots, 12 marbles. Okay, 12 marbles. I am using these 12 marbles in different ways. First way I will show you. Okay, now rows and columns. Here we want to know that what is rows and columns. ఏంటి ఇక్కడ rows and columns అంటే చెప్పుకుందాం. So these are rows. Horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are called rows. The vertical lines ఉన్నాయి చూసారు, these are columns. If you write the numbers in the line or the row, or just you write the numbers in the columns. Okay, now I will arrange these 12 marbles in rows and columns exactly. Show me. I will show you. First way, rows. 4 rows. Sorry. Yes, I arranged them one way. How many rows? Rows, ra? Huh? 3 rows. 3 rows. And how many columns? 4 columns. 3 rows into 4 columns. How much it is? 12. And 3 into 4 is a one possible way to arrange 12 marbles. Can anyone come forward to arrange, please? కొంచెం పెద్దగా పెట్టినా కనపడ Come on, how many rows? Adenti? Column. Okay, right now there. And you just use one thing you should follow. First write rows into columns. Rows into column. First rows. Right there. How many rows?
6.
Very good. How many columns?
2.
2. 6 twos. 12. Wow. He arranged in different way. Yeah. Anyone? Girl. Munaza. How many times she asked me to write something. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, listen to me. To arrange the 12, I used 3 into 4, and this is another possibility, and it is 6 into 2. That is also 12. Next. Okay, no problem. Just ask her, just let her do.
The rows. The first 2 rows.
Right, rows. Now, how many rows? How many rows? One row, second row, third row, and fourth row. 4. In how many columns? 3 columns. 4 into 3, that is equals to 12. Good. You just go. See, this is one way, even though that is also same number. And one more. One, I will tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 9, 10, 11, and 12. One row and 12 columns. 1 into 12, that is also 12, right? Unakada? See, all these possibilities. How many are there? There are so many possibilities to write the number by using rows and columns. Okay, so these are all factors of 12. These are all factors of 12. See, okay, I will write you, I will show you how to write the factors of 12 by numbers. So can you tell me what are the possibilities? Find all the factors of 12. Right, tell me now. First way. First possibility. First possibility, tell me. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every. How to write it? One possibility is 1 row and 12 columns. 1 into 12. 1 into 12. This is one first possibility. 12 can be arranged 1 row and 12 columns. Next.
Sir, last.
Yeah.
2 into
Yes, 2.
2 into 6.
Very good. 2 into 6.
6 into
Wait. Next 3.
2.
We have to go check it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 వరకు చూసుకోవాలి. So next. Very good. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into. Very good. You just write also then. Next.
6 into 2.
5 is not divides. 5 not divides. It is not divided. Next 6 into 2. Very good. Next 7 does not. 8 does not. 9 does not. 10. 12 money. 12 months. So these are all possibilities of writing 12 into the factors. 1 into 12, that is equals to 12. Here 1 is a factor of 12 and 12 also factor of 12. What is a factor? What is a factor? The factor is exact divisor. The factor is 1 is exact divisor of 12. 12 also exact divisor of 12. అంటే ఏంటి 1 తో 12 మనం డివైడ్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తది. 12 తో డివైడ్ చేసినా 0 నే వస్తుంది. సో కాబట్టి 1 into 12, 1 and 12 both are factors. Next 2 6 are 2 6 times 12, 6 2 times 12. So while when we divide 12 by 2, we get a 0 remainder. If we divide it by 6, also get a 0 remainder. So that 2 and 6 both are factors of 12. 2 also factor and 6 also factor. What is a factor? Exact divisor. Exact divisor means if you divide by number, that 0 gets remainder. Right? Yes. If it is divided by, exact divisor means if you divide any number by that particular number, that remainder gives 0. Okay. Next 3. 3 4s are 12. And why I'm asking all these things? Factors is nothing but divisors. Factor is nothing but divisors. What divisors they are? Exact divisors. Now, first possibility 1 12s are 12. 1 and 12 both are factors. Next possibility 2 6 are 12. Yes, 2 is a factor and 6 also factor. Next 3 4s are 12. 3 4s. 3 also factor of 12 and 4 also factor of 12. Next 4 3s. What is the difference between these two? 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. 3 also factor and 4 also factor. 4 also factor, 3 are false. Why should I write again and again this? అవసరమైంది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రాసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. 3 4s are 4 3s same? No. 3 is a factor and 4 is a factor. And already 2 6 are 12 I have written. But no need to write 6 into 2 again. Already 1 into 12 I have written. But no need to write this all. If it is mentioned, involved, no need to write again. Okay, these are all factors of 12. అంటే ఇన్ని డివైజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి దాన్ని డివైడ్ చేయడానికి. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో చూద్దాం. Factors of 12 are, first start from 1 and come down and go away. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So these are all factors of 12. What are the factors? Exact. So these are all exact divisors of 12. If you want, you can check it. Yes, 1 2 3 now వచ్చి మళ్ళీ పైకి వెళ్ళాలి. So this is right. This is the way of writing factors. What is a factor? Which is the smallest factor of a number? Greatest factor? It is a 12, so it is a 12. If the number is 24, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. 24. 24 is a factor of 24. 24 ని 24 తో డివైడ్ చేయలేమా? 16 తో 16 ని డివైడ్ చేయలేమా? 20 ని 20 తో డివైడ్ చేయలేమా? కాబట్టి every number is factor of itself and one also factor of every number. One is a factor of every number. So what is the smallest factor? Okay, one is the smallest factor of every number. A number anna isko. Next, what is the greatest factor of every number? Number itself. What is that? Yes, you just write it. No need to write this, and I will give some numbers to write the factors. That's it. Okay, any more questions, online students? Always we used to write the factors of a given number is in the pair form. Okay now? Okay, now our turn is 36. Okay, what is the first possibility? First possibility, tell me. 1, yes, 136 times. 136 times is 36. Here we could know that 1 is a factor of 36. We get the quotient is 36. If when 36 is divided by 36, the quotient is 1. So these two numbers are factors. So the exact divisors. Next. Very good boy. 2 into 18. Okay, you just divide it. 2 తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది మనకి అంటే 6 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకి divisibility rules అనేవి ఇక్కడ వాడుకోవాలి. We can use the divisibility rules here. While writing factors, the divisibility rules can help us. Kada? How many times? 2 ones are 2. 2 8s are 16. Yes. 2 18 times we'll get 36. So you just write it 2 into 18. Okay now? 2 is a factor. When 36 is divided by 2, the quotient is 18. When 36 is divided by 18, the quotient is 2. Okay now? Next 3.
3 into 12.
Huh?
3 into 12.
36. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Multiplication. Checking of divisibility rule. Why should I ask you to read the divisibility rules for this? Without dividing, you should know that whether it is divisible by a particular number or not. Put చెప్పొచ్చు కదా మనం 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36. 3 is a factor of 36. If you divide it by 36 by 3, we get 12. When 36 is divided by 12, then the quotient is 3. Yes.
So next is 4 into 9.
Chappa next girls.
3
3 into 6, 18. Is it 18?
6 into 5.
4 into 9. After 3, the number is 4. You just check it whether 36 in the multiples of 4 or not. Or else how many times it is divides. 4 9s are 36. 4 is a 4 9s, that is 9 times, and 9 divides 36 4 times. Next 5.
No sir. No sir.
No, it's that cannot divide it.
Right.
It is 0 or 5 undali 5 to divide avalandi. Next 6. Divided by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. So it is divided by 2 and 3 kada. So that it is 6 6 is 36. Next 7. Student just 8.
No.
9.
Yes sir.
9. It is already there. 4 9s or 9 4s are both same. Okay na? Next 10.
Yes sir.
Then. మళ్ళీ మనకి 18 2s 36 1s వస్తాయి అక్కడ. So these are the possibilities. Only we have up to 10, we have to check it. That is enough. How many possibilities? Yes, that is the factors of ఎందుకు మీరు ఏమైనా చెప్పొచ్చు. Factors of 36 are, okay, we'll start from 1 0 1 2 3 4 6. No need to write 6 again. 9 So చూడండి, the smallest factor is, the greatest factor is it's number itself. 12 అయితే 12, 36 అయితే 36, 24 అయితే 24. అందుకని ఏం చెప్తున్నామంటే the smallest factor of any number is 1, the greatest factor of any number is number itself. ఏంటది? Itself. Number itself. What is that? Greatest. Greatest is number itself. Smallest is 1. So this is another example we can write, and we will discuss about prime numbers and the composite numbers and co-prime, twin prime. All those things we'll discuss about in the next session. Okay, now, and I have given the page number 33. Do this and exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Okay, now. Okay, boys and girls. Okay, ఎవరున్నారు? బాబు నాకు కొంచెం అది పెట్టండి రా చిన్న.